Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make this really cute little sunflower granny square. It's super easy, really quick, and it's really tiny and cute. So to begin, we need a 4mm crochet hook and we need 4 different colours. So we need 2 different shades of yellow for the petals, we need brown for the centre, and any background colour that you want. So I chose this beige colour. I think it looks really pretty. So to begin, you get the brown colour and you want to make a magic circle. So to do that, you get the wool, you wrap it around your fingers and you make an X over the top, or a cross. Now you get your hook, place it underneath, you grab the wool like this, and then you grab it again. So now you have 2 hoops, you pull through and you should have a circle. So now we want a half treble crochet 12 times in this circle. So we hold this tail end with our thumb and middle finger and we wrap the wool around our hook, insert it in the circle, wrap round, pull through. Now there's 3 hoops. You want to wrap round and pull through all 3 loops. Once you have done the 12 stitches of half treble crochet all the way round, so insert your hook at the top of the very first stitch, wrap round, pull through again, like so. So now we want to close that hole in the middle. So what we do is take our hook out, make a big loop and hold on to that so we don't lose it, and pull this tail end to close the hole up. Like this. And then we put our hook back in. And we chain 1. We want to half treble crochet 12 times again into the individual little stitches. So that's 1. Then we go into the next one. And continue that all the way around until you reach the end. Once you reach the end, you need a slip stitch into the top stitch to join it all together. And that is our centre. So now we chain 1, get our scissors, and we cut that and pull it through tight. So you should have something that looks like this. And now we get our second colour. So you can find any stitch, but I'm going to put mine to the left of where we've just cast off, into this stitch, get the colour, and you want to tie a little knot. So we insert our hook where we just added the colour, we pull through, so now we have a hoop to work with, and from here we're going to chain 1, yarn over, pull it into this space that we've just, so now we have 3 hoops, we're going to yarn over and pull through all these loops. And then we're going to chain 1. And the rest of the stitches aren't going to be like this. That's just because that's the starting chain. So from here, to do a puff stitch. So you yarn over, put it into the next space that you see, then yarn over again and put into the same space. Yarn over and pull through. So now we have 5 hoops on the hook. You want to yarn over and pull through all of them. Like this. Then chain 1 and continue that all the way around. So I'll show you again. You yarn over, insert into the next stitch, grab the wool, pull through. So now we have 3 stitches. You want to yarn over, insert it into that same stitch, grab the wool, pull through again. Now you have 5 hoops. You yarn over and you pull through all 5. And chain 1. And you do this all the way around until you reach the end. So now this is our last stitch. You now want to do a slip stitch into the top stitch of the first petal. Then you chain 1, get your scissors and cut it and pull through tight. So that's the second bit done. Now we want our darker yellow colour. Attach this onto our little circle here. Now we get our hook, insert it, wrap round, pull through, and now we want to chain 2. 1, 2, and then we're going to yarn over, insert into that same stitch that we've just attached into, grab it, pull through. Now we have 3 loops. You want to yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. So that's 1, yarn over, insert again, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops, yarn over, put through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 4 stitches. Want to yarn over and pull through all 4. And then chain 2. Okay, so from here we go into this next stitch, this next chain space. So we yarn over, insert the hook, grab the wool, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert, grab the wool, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we have 3 hoops, but we want to see 5 hoops altogether. So we do this 2 more times. Now we have 5 hoops. Yarn over, and you want to pull through all 5. And then chain 2, and repeat that all the way around. So now we're at the last stitch. Got to do it one more time. And now we want to slip stitch into the first stitch of the first petal that we did at the very top. Now chain one, get your scissors, cut the wool and pull it tight. You can sew in the ends and leave it as a circle if you want to, because that looks cute as well, but I'm going to be turning it into a square. So we want to get our last colour and we want to attach that onto our flower. And this is the last step, so after this we're done. So you want to pick a gap, insert your hook, pull your colour through, tie a knot, and then insert our hook into that same space, wrap the wool round and pull through. Now we want to chain 3, so 1, 2, 3, and we want to do a treble stitch into the same hole or the same space that we are currently at. So to do that, you wrap the wool around your hook twice, insert into that space, grab the wool, pull through, so now you have 4 loops. You wrap round, pull through 2, wrap round, pull through 2, wrap round, pull through 2, chain 2, so 1, 2, and we want to do 2 more treble stitches into that same space. So wrap our wool around twice again, insert, grab it, pull through, wrap round, pull through 2, wrap round, pull through 2, and wrap round, pull through 2. And this makes the corner of the square. So once we've done that, you wrap the wool around your hook, insert it into this space, pull through, wrap round, pull through 2, wrap round, pull through 2 again. So now we've got 3 double crochets into this space. You want to repeat that into the next one. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So now we want to do a treble stitch. Again, we want to repeat what we did here over here. So we wrap around the hook twice again, and we do that treble stitch. So we do that treble stitch twice, then we chain 2, and then we do another 2 treble stitches into the same space. So once you've done that, you then do the 3 double crochets into the next 2 stitches again, like we did here. So once you've done that, you then again do the corner stitch, which is the treble stitch. So all you do is the treble stitch twice, chain 2 twice again into the same stitch to create the corner, and then you do 3 double crochets each into the next 2 stitches after that, and then you do the corner again. So you just repeat that. Once you have finished doing your 3 double crochets into that last stitch, you then want to do a slip stitch into the very top of this stitch here. And then you chain 1, get your scissors and cut it and pull through nice and tight. So that is your square. Now that we've done that, before we've finished, we need to weave in all these ends. This end here that we used for the magic circle, we want to secure that. So you can get a needle or a hook and insert it, and we're just going to tie that. Like this, so it doesn't come undone. And you can make sure it covers the hole, so then the hole doesn't look open. You can keep it as closed as you want. And then once you've done that, and you're happy it's secure and won't come undone, you get your scissors and you just cut it off. Once you've tucked all the ends in and made it all neat, you should be left with something like this. So you want to make sure you have 12 petals, so then it's nice and symmetrical. Thank you so much for watching.